Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the set attribute and get attribute functions in Python. These built-in functions provide a dynamic way of setting and getting attributes in Python. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Python's set attribute function allows us to set the value of an object's attribute. It takes three arguments: the object, the attribute's name as a string, and the value to set. Let's create a class person with the name and age attributes. Then we'll create an object John and set the attributes using set attribute. Oh, As you can see, we set the name and age attributes of John using set attribute. When we print these attributes, the values we set are returned. Now let's take a look at Python's get attribute function. This function allows us to get the value of an object's attribute. It takes two arguments, the object and the attribute's name as a string. Let's use get attribute to get the name and age attributes of our John object. Right, so as you can see, we successfully retrieved the values of name and the age using get attribute. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.